Now, as you can see, my power supply is on and it's connected to my power strip. Now let me switch it on. Now as you can see, my monitor is on. Now, my host is connected to the power strip properly, as you can see, like this. Now, let's try to turn the host on. When I press the start button, as you can see, nothing happens. Now, let's try again. Still, no reaction at all. But as I checked inside, I saw a yellow light on. Now let's turn on the lamp. As you can see, the yellow light is on this board, this red board with the fan. Now let's turn off the lamp again. As you can see, the yellow light. Now, I would really appreciate if anyone have some idea what's happening with my computer. Thank you very much.